Hi students, welcome to SPRedutech. Today we're going to see about an important news update named Moonlighting. This is recently in news. What is Moonlighting and why it's so important, and we will be understanding everything in detail. For more updates, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also with your support we'll be building this channel for the next level. So kindly share with your friends and also keep on subscribing for the promotion of this channel. Okay guys, Moonlighting. This was recently in news that because Swiggy, which is a food delivery startup, has announced that it's industry first policy allowing employees to take up gigs and projects outside their regular employment. So company does during the hours away from the work. Swiggy calls this new norms as moonlighting policy. Here, first of all, what is moonlighting? This is a policy. What does this policy say? Policy says that every people will work for 9 to 5 hours. This is what regular work hours. After regular work hours, if you are choosing or opt to work in another company or other any industrial jobs or any other projects, you can take it and keep on working. This is to help the people, and this is a part of a new policy called as moonlighting. We shall understand in a brief about this moonlighting. See here, moonlighting is an act of working for an extra job. So you are working for the extra job beyond the regular working hours. So actually without a knowledge of the employer. So here actually moonlighting means without the knowledge of employer, you keep on working with the other works, other jobs that you do. So since the side jobs wherever you do will be in a night time or weekends, so that it is referred as the moonlighting. So here the term gained has popularity during when the workers in US started seeking for second job beyond their regular 9 to 5 works for the additional income. Moonlighting as an issue has been controversial, seeming to the commenting by the new Swiggy's policy. Wipro chairman Rishad Premji has tweeted that on August 22, 2022 that there is a lot of chatter about the people moonlighting in the tech industry. This is a cheating and plain and simple. That is what he said. So moonlighting similarly looks like the cheating that was said by the Wipro chairman. Okay, this is all about the moonlighting word, and for more updates kindly stay tuned. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day.